Hey guys, I know it's been a little while, but I have finally finished wrapping my seat covers where I improved the cushioning on my SV650, and it took me a while to stretch this stuff and get it to where I got the majority of the creases out of it, but it looks really good. It's a matte finish, and I'm really proud of the driver's seat here. All of these curves were fairly difficult to make sure there were no wrinkles. There's a couple of small wrinkles, but after riding on the bike, they should come out. And here is my seats on my bike. They have a lot more cushion than they used to. If you see my previous video where I improved the foam, I put a lot more cushioning in the seat. A lot of people don't know that the SV650 is probably one of the most uncomfortable riding motorcycles made because the seats are so uncomfortable. And I improved the rear seat for my wife, so she'll have a whole lot more cushioning, and I was able to widen it a little bit, and it's not too wide. It still goes with the lines of the motorcycle. And if everyone could be a little bit more patient with my videos, I've had some financial bad luck. The transmission on my wife's Escape went out, so that's $3,000 I've had to pay for that. Then my poor Rottweiler, that was another over $300 bill to get his hips x-rayed, but thank goodness he's okay. He just pulled a muscle. And then there was another $450 for a new dishwasher. The dishwasher went out, so I haven't had very much extra money to put into videos. And no, I don't want sympathy, but I just need, a little bit more patience, because making videos is hard and life happens and we can't always make videos whenever we want to. And I appreciate everybody that watches, everybody subscribes. Thank you so much, and I will try to get back with more content. I'm still waiting on my 300L to come in to make some content for that. Apparently, I'm pretty sure my bike was on that barge in the Suez Canal that got apparently it got seized by the Egyptians, so it is like in limbo, full of, I know Yamaha motorcycles in particular, which means the Suzuki and Kawasaki and Hondas are probably on that same barge. So I don't know when these bikes are going to come in. There have been a few bikes that have come in upstate, some 300Ls I've heard. So I'm hoping within the next week I'll know something about when I'll get the 300L in. So everybody, stay tuned, and hopefully I'll have some more content for you pretty soon.